Have you ever thought about going on a cruise but stopped because you heard it's boring, expensive, or only for older people? Or oh no, I could never do it. I'll get seasick. Well, today I'm here to bust all those myths and show you how much fun and easy cruising really is. Hey everyone, welcome back to Life After 50, redefining life with Ratna Jain, the channel where we prove that life only gets better with age. Many people have misconceptions about cruising. So let's go through the most common myths one by one. The first myth, cruises are too expensive. People often think cruises are super expensive. But guess what? When you compare the cost to a regular holiday, it's actually a great deal. Most cruises include accommodation, food, entertainment, and even travel to multiple destinations, all in one package. If you book smartly, you can get amazing deals. Plus, there is something for everyone. Whether you love relaxing by the pool, watching Broadway-style shows, or exploring new destinations every day. So in reality, a cruise can be more affordable than traditional vacation. The second myth people have is cruises are boring. Boring? Not at all. Cruises have entertainment for everyone. Live shows, music, sports, swimming pools, movie nights, and even adventure activities like zip lining and rock climbing. And if you love relaxing, there are spa treatments, peaceful lounges, and stunning ocean views. You can do as much or as little as you like. It is your holiday. The third myth people have is cruises are only for old people. Yes, you will find older people on cruises, but you will also see families, honeymooners, solo travelers, and groups of friends. Cruises cater to all ages, with kids clubs, adult-only areas, and everything in between. So whether you are 30, 50 or 70, there is something for you. The fourth myth people have, you feel stuck on the ship. A lot of people worry about feeling trapped, but that's not the case at all. Cruises have multiple decks, lounges, entertainment areas, and even port stops where you can explore new places. Every day can be a new adventure. It is just like having a floating hotel or a resort that takes you to amazing destinations. The fifth myth people have is seasickness. One of the biggest fears people have about cruising is getting seasick. But here is the truth. Modern cruise ships are massive and they have stabilizers that minimize movement. I have been on multiple cruises and trust me, you barely feel a thing. If you are still worried, there are easy remedies like booking a cabin in the middle of the ship, using motion sickness bands, or simply staying active and enjoying all the fun things on board. And my personal cruise experience, I still remember my first cruise. It was an eye-opener. I had so much fun that I kept going back for more. In my future videos, I'll share you my personal experiences from the different cruises I have been on. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. So if you have been holding back because of these myths, don't. A cruise might just be the best vacation you ever had. I hope I have helped clear up some misconceptions. Cruising is one of the easiest and most enjoyable ways to travel, especially after 50. Have you ever been on a cruise, or are you considering to taking one? If you have any questions or need guidance, drop a comment below. We'd love to help. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Life After 50 for more fun travel experiences. Until next time, keep exploring. Bye.